Hey guys, how's it going? Firstly, coming to you with the brand new GoPro Hero 10. So I just got this thing. I had the 9 and I thought, well, may as well get the 10. It's the same price. And secondly, I'm here because that thing threw a check engine light, and it turns out it was a P0521, which is oil pressure switch. So what we're going to do today is we're going to replace this oil pressure switch. Now all you need is a 27mm socket. You use like an impact one, a long one, and then of course you need an extender and then a 1/2" wrench, depending on the socket size for the attachment. But I want to show you something. I want to show you how dramatic these cars are when it gets a check engine light. So let's check that out now real quick. Check engine light dramatic or what? And like I said, it's the P0521, which is oil pressure switch, so we're gonna give that a bit of a change. So let's jump out of this rig real quick. With a wrench. I got a flashlight back there so we can have a bit of a peek. And there she is. So I've got to pull that plug and we can rip it straight out. Plug's really easy to untouch. You see that little little clip right there. Basically just have to make sure you get that out of the way and it'll pop straight out. So yeah. There she is. New one installed. I don't know if you can see down there. That's it. So that's how you fix your oil pressure issue for a P0521 oil pressure switch. Pretty simple. But anyway, let's get it all zipped up and get the plug back in and get the codes reset. All gone. No more check engine light. Beautiful. Pretty easy. Takes about 10 minutes. Alright guys, well there you have it. Pretty easy, 10-minute job. Do me a huge favor, if you like the content, give it a like. If you like it that much, love it, subscribe, will ya? But anyway, Commodore, all done. Check engine light off. Peace guys, I appreciate it.